Wednesday night EDC dump. Tactipac holster, Gen 4 Glock 19, Trijicon RCR, and a Magpul Magwell. By the way, guys, this is an awesome holster. So comfortable. It's already curving just from where it rests, but yeah, it's way comfortable. I got a pocket flashlight. Got a little bit of grip tape on there. A little mag release or slide release extender little thing, I guess. Factory, anyways. But yeah, night sight's on the way. Awesome EDC, especially if you have a pocket flashlight. For some reason, it just makes a smaller package, and it's just so much more comfortable. Smaller gun. Just wear a pocket flashlight. It really is more convenient. You can use it whenever. Flashlight on your gun, it means you gotta point your muzzle everywhere, but this is perfect for me. Peace.